Welcome back, guys. It's Tuesday, and I'm really happy to see all of you here today. A quick reminder that we are in Unit 1, Era 1, Exploration and Colonization. We're looking at the reasons why people were moving around and settling in different territories. So, a recap of yesterday's events. We kind of introduced the idea of how Columbus discovered the New World, and that his letter back to the King and Queen of Spain made everybody really excited about the resources and the life that the New World promised. Remember the three mother countries, England, Spain, and France? They're mother countries because they're rich and powerful, right? So let's move on to today. Today we're going to focus on what? We will identify the North American territories settled by the mother countries. Why? Well, land equals power, guys. So each European empire wanted the most desirable territory. And how are we going to complete today? You will work with a team to analyze maps, and then you'll make predictions about future conflicts between the mother countries. So, a new word for this unit, colony, is a new territory controlled by a country in another land. You can see in our image that we have a ship arriving to the New World, and we will be talking about Jamestown another time. But the word colony and colonization will be used a lot in this next lesson. So, we already know that Spain had sent Columbus in 1492 to sail the ocean blue. He was looking for a shorter route to India, but actually ended up in modern-day Cuba. And this is kind of where the colonization of Spain begins, is in what we call now the West Indies. Next up was France. France wanted to also get into the resources in the New World, so they sent their own explorer in 1534, and he ends up in the St. Lawrence River up here north around the Canadian border with the United States. And finally, our final mother country, England, sends Sir Walter Raleigh in 1585, and he ends up landing here on the east coast around North Carolina. Now, I don't want you to spend too much time thinking about dates and people right now. I just want you to understand that once Columbus discovered the New World, it was like a race for riches. And all three mother countries raced across the Atlantic Ocean so that they could get their hands on some of these resources. So, what we're going to do next, we're going to be analyzing the map. This is a map that you have on page 6 of your virtual notebook. You can see here the territories at the time that were colonized by Britain, which is England, France, Spain, and then the green represents unexplored territory, okay? So when you're done with this video, you can head on back to class and we'll talk about how you can team up for this activity. All right, guys, have a good day.